Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the errors of billing problem with a family member's previous purchase. So guys, if you want to download or install any of that from App Store and it's not working and you're getting the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the setting. First of all, you have to make sure that you're properly connected with internet, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on Apple ID, then sign out the Apple ID. Okay guys, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now let me tell you that why you are getting this error. If your organizer payment method expiry date is over, that's why it's not working. Okay guys, and if you are the organizer and your family member has purchased something and he has not paid, then maybe that's why it's not working. Just simply have to tap on settings. If you want to fix this, tap on Apple ID, tap on family sharing, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to remove some of the family members. Okay guys, so from here you have to remove some of the family members and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to go back, and after that guys, all you have to do is just simply have to tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. From here you have to wait some second. Let me tell you that you have to make sure that if your payment method expiry date is not over, if your payment method expiry date is over, just simply have to put another payment method. So for that you have to put the password. So let me put the password. So I have given the password. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds. You can easily find here manage payments option, tap on that, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that if its expiry date is not over, if its expiry date is over, just simply have to put the new payment method, and also make sure that your billing information is correct, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.